All right, let's dive right in. Imagine you're running a project-based business. You're juggling multiple projects, each with its own unique set of expenses, labor hours, and materials. You're trying to figure out if you're actually making money on these projects, or if you're just spinning your wheels. You're staring at spreadsheets, trying to piece together the puzzle, and you're thinking, there's got to be a better way. Sound familiar? We've all been there. Trying to wrangle costs, track labor, and get a clear picture of project profitability can feel like trying to herd cats. And the question that keeps popping up is, can NetSuite actually do job costing? That's what we're tackling today. We're going to break down how NetSuite handles job costing, explore its capabilities, and see if it's the right solution for your project-driven business. Now, before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's establish some context. Why is job costing so crucial in the first place? Simply put, it's about understanding the true cost of each project. Without accurate job costing, you're flying blind. You might think you're making a profit, but hidden costs and inefficiencies could be eating away at your bottom line. Think about it. You need to track everything: labor hours, material costs, subcontractor expenses, overhead allocations, and even those unexpected miscellaneous costs that always seem to pop up. And you need to do it in real time, or as close to it as possible. Delayed data means delayed decisions, and that can be costly. So, how does NetSuite address these challenges? First, let's talk about the core functionalities. NetSuite offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline job costing. It integrates project management, accounting, and resource management into a single platform, giving you a unified view of your project finances. One of the key features is the ability to create detailed project budgets. You can break down your project into phases, tasks, and subtasks, and assign estimated costs to each. This allows you to track actual costs against your budget and identify variances early on. NetSuite also excels at tracking labor costs. You can record employee time against specific projects and tasks, ensuring accurate labor allocation. This data can then be used to calculate labor costs and profitability. And let's be honest, labor is often one of the biggest expenses in project-based businesses, so getting this right is crucial. Material costs are another critical component of job costing. NetSuite allows you to track material usage and costs, whether you're purchasing materials directly for a project or using inventory. It integrates with inventory management, providing real-time visibility into material availability and costs. Furthermore, NetSuite enables you to track subcontractor expenses. You can record subcontractor invoices and allocate them to specific projects, ensuring accurate cost tracking. This is particularly important for businesses that rely heavily on subcontractors. But it's not just about tracking costs. NetSuite also provides powerful reporting and analytics tools that allow you to analyze project profitability. You can generate reports that show actual costs versus budget, project profitability by phase, and other key performance indicators. This data can help you identify areas for improvement and make informed decisions. Now let's address some specific scenarios. Imagine you're a construction company. You're working on multiple projects, each with its own unique set of requirements and challenges. NetSuite allows you to track labor hours, material costs, and subcontractor expenses for each project, giving you a clear picture of project profitability. You can also generate reports that show project progress and identify potential cost overruns. Or perhaps you're a professional services firm. You're managing multiple client projects, each with its own budget and timeline. NetSuite allows you to track billable hours, project expenses, and revenue, giving you a comprehensive view of project profitability. You can also generate reports that show project performance and identify areas for improvement. Let's dig a little deeper into some of the specific features that make NetSuite so powerful for job costing. One of the most important aspects is its flexibility. NetSuite can be customized to meet the specific needs of your business. You can create custom fields, reports, and workflows to track the data that matters most to you. Another key feature is its integration with other NetSuite modules. This allows you to streamline your business processes and eliminate data silos. For example, you can integrate project management with accounting, inventory management, and CRM. And of course, there's the real-time visibility. NetSuite provides real-time access to project data, allowing you to make informed decisions quickly. You can track project progress, identify potential issues, and take corrective action before they become major problems. Let's talk about some of the common challenges businesses face with job costing and how NetSuite addresses them. One challenge is data entry. Manual data entry can be time-consuming and prone to errors. NetSuite automates many data entry tasks, reducing the risk of errors and freeing up your team to focus on more strategic activities. Another challenge is data accuracy. Inaccurate data can lead to incorrect cost calculations and flawed decision-making. NetSuite provides tools for data validation and reconciliation, ensuring data accuracy. And then there's the challenge of reporting. Generating accurate and timely reports can be difficult, especially if you're relying on spreadsheets. NetSuite provides a wide range of pre-built reports and dashboards, and you can also create custom reports to meet your specific needs. Now let's address the elephant in the room: implementation. Implementing a new software system can be daunting, but NetSuite offers a range of resources and support to help you through the process. They have a network of implementation partners who can provide expert guidance and support. And let's not forget the cloud-based nature of NetSuite. This means you can access your data from anywhere, at any time, on any device. This is particularly important for businesses with remote teams or multiple locations. Of course, no software system is perfect. There are some potential drawbacks to consider. One potential drawback is the cost. NetSuite can be a significant investment, especially for smaller businesses. However, the benefits of improved job costing and increased profitability can outweigh the costs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.